Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show notification icons on status bar in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notifications. In notifications, go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, okay, you can see the show notification icons. And okay guys, to show notification icons on status bar in your Samsung Galaxy A02, okay, you'll have to do is tap the show notification icons. And the pop-up are show. And okay guys, here there are options here. You can set into all notification, or you can set into 3 most recent, or you can set into number of notification only, or you can set into none. And okay guys, I decide to set into all notification is show to my status bar. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully show notification icon on status bar in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.